crunch time over here with 5150 Mopeds. We got Michael here, he's helping us out big time. It's Mr. Original Concept Garage. 232 4-valve, water cooled. You know, it should be a hell of a build, but we appreciate you guys. So I think we're hopefully about to see some magic happen. We are the magic scooter bus. So maybe magic's about to happen. I got faith. I got faith, man. I got faith in this.
Well, this would be nice if I could touch
like
your body.
Limp Bizkit says, gotta have faith.
I know not everybody. Everybody like me.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah. Anytime you order tater parts, you gotta have faith.
Dude, I've been on broke down on the side of the road and rolled a bunch of cigarette butts together to plug a hole in the case.
A little bit of chewing gum, a little cigarette butts, yeah.
Blowing on my fucking shoe and shit. It's like, well, do I make it home or run out of oil? What happens first?
Bring out your shoe back into
I've had people pull their gas tank off and drain gas into the gas tank on my bike.
Oh yeah.
I've pulled bikes home with toaster amps.
Oh man, you gotta have faith, man. Part of it, man. Part of it. Our faith right here is the Pepper Jasper J, though.
I got this shit.
Pepper Jasper J got this shit.
Pepper Jasper.
That's right.
Remember, you always stay humble pushing your bike home.
Yeah.
Damn right. Damn right.
Man, I knew I should have zip tied that better.
I've actually had it happen, man. I had my bike one time. I didn't realize the carburetor was stuck. It shot out. Went after this old man, so I had to run it down. I swear I had a demon in it. And he was going right. I mean, he was going like this way. He's going that way toward him. I mean, I had a football tackle with a damn bike, dude. And I had flip flops on. Dude, that thing tore my legs all to pieces, dude. I had to push it all the way home. I was like a mile away from home. That old man said, I thought it had a demon in it. He said, he kept coming for me. I mean, he's going this way to come that way. He's like, I mean, dude, he couldn't get away from it. So I had to just tackle some bitch, man. I had no choice. That tire rash was off the front of my legs. I get home, my wife's like, what happened to you? I'm like, don't ask.
Zilla went from trying to carry its own body weight to like 3 more bikes.
So hopefully, we're just gonna see if it runs right now. Come on. I think it's gonna run. Hopefully it blows up while the motor's still under warranty.
Yeah, like there's this video of a dude on an RT1 and he's sitting there passing street bikes in the corners.
Yeah.
Around track, yeah, he's lower.
Yeah, dude. They would catch him like in the straightaway, but all through corners, he just burned them back up again. He ended up winning the race. Yeah. I guess like 600s.
Like two bikes.
Yeah, dude. Swear, yeah. No shit. He burned every one of them up to the corners, man.
Like
just, and he's, I mean,
like that.
dude was like getting, I mean, so low to the ground, dude. I mean, I was like, what? He was crazy on a scooter. Scooter power, man. You know what I'm saying? Scooter power. Oh, we have to fripless on it back though, don't we? Damn. It's a good thing we have shoes.
No, we don't technically.
Fred didn't have shoes, okay? He had hard ass soles. The feet. Well, we have to fripless on this thing back. Yeah, but that would be power, man.
I'm hoping it's running.
No, I mean that pipe's so loud. You know, we're gonna have to definitely push it back.
I'll put it in the gate.
We're just running on yabba dabba do power, okay?
Just fucking, if you bail it on a speed, you can fucking haul ass and then kill it. And you just coast it all.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. When you see the bear in the corner, just pass him on up, okay?
Yeah, watch those speed bumps coming in.
Yeah.
Messed you up quick. Big ass speed bump.
That's a good thing we didn't drop it all the way to the ground. No. I don't want to. I didn't want it on the ground. And dude, this suspension's a badass on this bike.
Wheelie out with the cigarette, the headlamp going on.
That's him.
Like not even looking at the road.
Somehow, yeah. Every time I film him, dude, he went up there and turned around one day, and I swear to God, he had a cigarette. By the time he turned around, I don't know how he even got it in his mouth because he never even.
Tell him, man. Tell him.
And but he had it in his mouth and it's lit. Don't know how that happened.
You don't know how fast we can light a cigarette.
Dude, I'm like, how did the world? I mean, I'm filming him.
Put the helmet up, light the cigarette, get the helmet back down, choke the carburetor with my hand and fire the bike up and be ready again before the light.
I mean, dude, he never. I didn't even see his hands come off the daggone bars. I mean, he just turned around, and I'm like, how'd he get the cigarette in his mouth? I just filmed him going through. I look back to the footage. He didn't have it. It's like he just coughed it up, lit. I swear to God, it's like he coughed it up lit.
I've seen that happen too.
I believe it. That's just hardcore, man. You know.
Lost a little piece of my battery.
Oh no. Oh, yeah, it was a little. Oh.
A little nut.
Here, I figured I'd film this. Cause this is like we get fuel in that sunbit, we get started. It's a magical moment. Oh, I know that, but it'd be like a magical moment, man. I'd be like, you have no idea.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah, you do. You do. You built it.
Yeah.
You built my headache. You know it?
What, 3, 4 times?
My headache, though.
I mean, how many times did that thing at motor park?
Oh God, 4 times.
Yeah.
Dude, the chain. Yeah.
What is this cool on its own?
But you know how we had to get the chain in? Basically, we couldn't even use a base gasket. He had silicone it.
Yeah.
Dude, we had no choice. Like we couldn't even. It was,
The chain that come in the kit, the potato.
Yeah.
don't work.
With the base gasket, and I mean, just the little thin metal.
It was, tell me how tight it was, yeah.
So tight. But I couldn't even put the tension or anything at all.
Yeah, it's got to have a 92 link chain in it.
No, this is 98.
98 link.
98.
We did get a 98.
Yeah, with the 8.
Because this is a 4-valve head.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And they gave us a 96, right?
Yeah.
We tried to put a 98, guess what happened? It was too loose.
Yeah, 96. Yeah.
So,
96 worked.
Michael from NCY told us we should probably take and use a chain breaker.
Yeah.
Hell no.
And we was like, no, we don't want to. We don't.
Master links for timing changes. I know it.
No, we break them and rivet them together, but I mean, you still got to keep an even number. So I mean, you're 96 or 98.
Right? Yeah. Right. Yeah. Actually, that. Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah. You're just screwed. Yeah.
I honestly would have put a 98 in it, and I would have shimmed it up to make the 98 tight,
Oh.
and just lost a little compression, which is ultimately it's gonna make power regardless.
It had a dome piston. We took it actually put a flat top in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you never know, man.
Double explosion.
Hey, it's under warranty, okay?
Come over here.
Against explosions.
Oh yeah. Hey, we won't move away from that pipe right there.
Explosions.
That pipe, I wouldn't be sitting there next to that pipe. We don't know.
He's sleeping.
Oh, it might wake him up.
Real quick. He's gonna
Hey,
wake
is
up
it
real
cool? We don't want to fight or fight, man. I mean, for real. I don't want to scare somebody to death.
You might want to tell him.
There's about to be an explosion out here.
Explosion.
What has happened?
We apologize for what's about to happen. Let me try to wake him up real quick, for real. I don't want to scare him to death. Yeah. I'll just make sure you're awake, man. We don't want you to yeah, things. I don't know how loud it's gonna be. It might pop, crack. Flames might come out so much. We don't know yet, And your leg's right there next to it, so.
Flamethrower shit going on.
He would think it's awesome.
No, I don't want to do that, dude. I don't. I've had it happen to me before. I went to a strip club one time in Missouri, and I had a stripper set me on fire. Yeah, imagine waking up on fire. Sprayed alcohol. I wasn't paying her. Hey, dude, I didn't know I was even there. My buddies walked me in there. And they had this thing where they spray alcohol on your crotch and they blow it out and they grind on a warm crotch. That's what they would do, dude. This chick took and sprayed me up and down and lit me, dude. And I woke up screaming, hot, hot, hot. I said, stop dropping roads. I said, I was so drunk, dude. Like,
Somebody stomp it out.
here comes security over on me. I'm like, man, I just threw $40 and said, tell her to leave me alone. Dude, set me on fire, dude. Now they got a safety brief why we don't be like Rice and go to strip clubs that wasted and let you set on fire.
Burn your crotch off.
So literally, I'm a safety brief in Missouri at Fort Leonard Wood.
Where'd the fire happen? Or where'd it come from?
Oh, like I said, they would spray alcohol on your crotch, man. They blow it off and they'd grind your warm crotch.
Like spray with like liquor in it.
Like straight up alcohol, man. Just it had a blue flame,
You guys got cool strip clubs.
Yeah.
That's Missouri, man. I was stationed at Fort Leonard Wood at the time. It wasn't fun.
What strip club outside of Fort Leonard where there's like 2 right next to each
Dude, there's like several of them, man. I forgot what it was called, but
There was the big one that was like fucking Big Daddy's.
I think that was it.
That was a good one to go to.
Dude, I didn't know I was even there at the moment, so
Yeah, I was there when they shut down the fucking Asian massage place right outside there.
That's my favorite, waking up at the strip club.
Right, that's not on fire. That's where there's a safety brief on me now. New guys come to my unit, they're like, Rice, you guys got set on fire? I'm like, they're like, whoa, we gotta hear this story. You gotta tell us. Fucking Rice is a legend. I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm embarrassed about this shit. Like, it's horrible, man.
Sounds really awesome.
It's just me, you know, I mean, it's just shit that happens to me, man. This is my luck.
3 hours later.
That's right. We're cheering you on.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Pepper Jasper J. Pepper Jasper J. That's what I'm saying. You had all kinds of wires over here tied together, over here tied. I was like, I didn't know what go to what. I don't know what goes to where. I'm like, it sounds like it's gonna arc the fuck out when they come down here. Yeah, hell yeah. Why not burn the whole trailer down?
232.
Yep. That's the weight limit, okay? Like he said. That's a good one. If you get put over, that's the weight limit, okay? For real. You gotta be this tall to ride it. Yeah, 232 inches to ride it, yeah.
232 inches.
Yeah, tall to ride it, you know. You have to be below, below that.
Oh, you gotta be below that.
Yeah. 232 inches, that's a lot of inches.
You'll have to step it up. These leaves.
You have the key on?
I ain't 24 yet.
Okay.
You're not 24?
No, I'm not 24.
How old are you?
16?
60.
Yeah, 60, definitely.
Right now he's worried about one that looks about like you up there trying to court his daughter right now at this very moment. He probably is there. We call him Little Billy Ray, so that's right there. That's Dirty Locks.
Yeah, old Dirty.
You got your Goldilocks. He's Dirty Locks.
Old Dirty Locks.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's what I'm saying, man. You got the mullet, man. You know.
Just for a day.
He's got the golden mullet. He's got the dirty mullet.
Old Dirty Locks.
We're gonna have a Dirty Locks versus Goldilocks. Hey, I think it'd be an awesome episode, man. Oh, I don't know if it probably at the house. Yep. I know that, but you know.
Fused them. What car fuse?
So I had my bike over here. Y'all just got a block of spare fuses right over there.
Let's see.
Did we get some?
Alright, guys, we're walking back to 5150 Mopeds. They're helping us tonight. Big shout out to them. For real, we really appreciate them. That's where I'm heading right now. So, Michael, I really appreciate him doing this. We had to literally Fred Flintstone the bike all the way over there. Yabba dabba doo. So, you know, it's a good thing that we have shoes. They didn't have shoes. I asked Cletus, I said, how did Fred Flintstone always do that? And he said, well, you know he's a cartoon, right? And I'm like, well, you didn't, how'd you know that? I didn't think about that. So, you know, that's just Bo's Looking Duke's way of thinking, you know. Cartoons are real. Somebody follow me. Somebody got a flashlight, look, follow me. What do you want? Oh. But remember this, it's hard out there for a pimp. And we're back. This is Bo's Looking Duke. We're walking back. Remember, if you're ever going to be out in bear territory, remember to carry a Gerber with you, for real. I mean, it ain't much protection, but you know what? It's better not having a Gerber. No kidding. And always point it down while you're walking. That's a Marine Corps safety tip. But we're heading back over to 5150 Mopeds. They're helping us out, Michael and his crew. So, Pepper Jasper J's over right now. They're doing a team up. They're going to try to get this 232 4-valve water cooled done tonight before the show tomorrow. So, I've been having to hump it back and forth. It's a pretty good walk. We had to push the bike all the way over here earlier. Whew. That's a good distance, but you know what? It's well worth it. But like I said, remember, if you're in bear territory, pack your Gerbers with you. Don't take chances. Or you might have somebody sneak up on you. I don't know. Like a daggone panther. You don't want panthers sneaking up on you, trust me. Bad news. So trust your Gerber to protect you. It's the next best thing to having claws, right? Just remember, keep it pointed down when you're walking. I think we're good now. I don't know if they can see me or not. We gotta walk all the way down there. Yep. Phew. Tell you what boys can do. Man, I'm feeling rough right now. Not a sweat on me. We're tired. We having fun though. We really are having fun. Best we can anyways. Gotta try to make it over to 5150. They're gonna help, like I said, they're helping us out on our 232 4-valve water cooled. And trying to be quiet because the Townsend gets really quiet at night. I don't know if they got like a curfew or what. I know the campground wants you to be quiet at night though. You gotta be really quiet. When we try to be respectful, so you know, when my crew gets out of hand, I let them know. You know, I tell them like, look guys, we gotta be quiet. And we're a bunch of we're rowdy. You can't have too much testosterone in one spot and not expect a bunch of rowdiness. For real, that's the way it works, man. I mean, it's just human nature. Human nature takes over. But we'll see y'all in a few.